Hey y'all! You're still up high simply because I couldn't be bothered to put the tripod back down, to only have to put it back up when I do a proper one with the inkle loom. This isn't a craftsman chat. As you can see, this is a shop update. I found a wholesalers in the UK for 5D painting, for diamond painting, and so I've got two of everything except the first two I'll show you. So I will do one of each on camera for my YouTube, and the other one will be available in the shop to buy. There is a bigger range they do, but obviously with all this coronavirus and things, they've greatly reduced what stock they do because they can't print them out, you know, social distancing, they can't currently work in the offices properly, so they've just been selling what they already had in stock, no new prints. Going off camera there, aren't I, sorry. So this is just the start of the range, and I'm hoping eventually to get their full range in. So we'll see. So this is the first one, which is Hogwarts. So that's a really cool one. This is one of the ones that there's only one in stock, so I'm hoping once they're back up and running they'll have this in stock again. But I will do this one on YouTube at some point, unless someone buys it first. So the Hogwarts one will be $13.99, and this is a 30 by 40 centimetre full drill. So it says down there, look. And these look really good. I won't open this one up in case someone says they want it before I do it. But yeah, so that's the Hogwarts one. These are all different sizes, so I'll try to remember to name the sizes. So, and this one, again, this one's only one of, and this one is definitely for me. I hope to get in stock for the shop at some point, but it's Disney. It's Beauty and the Beast. I have to have it. So this one is again a full drill, and it's 45 by 55 centimetres. So this one, if we do get it in stock, will be £22.99, and I know these are much more expensive than you would get from AliExpress or something, but that's because they are a UK based company. They are printing themselves, they're working with designers and artists to do some of these and creating their own ones. This is not cheap manufactured over in China, this is all done here in the UK, so you pay for quality. So this is what you get. I don't know if it says in what the thing is, it just says it's canvas, but as this one is for me, we can probably open this one up and show you, so I'll open that up at the end once we've gone through the rest. Okay, so we have two of this one, cute little kittens, a plain kitten it's called, and these ones will be, they call it plain kitten here, but on my order form it's actually called scary kitten. And this one will be $10.99, and these are 30 by 30 centimetres. But aren't they pretty? They're so cute. Let's put them there. Okay, and then we've got Spirit Wolf, or on their thing they call it Mystic Wolf, I think. But isn't that pretty? And they are 50 by 40 centimetres. But they're gorgeous, and so if I can find it, I can tell you what it is. Okay, I think they actually call this one completely different than what it says on the thing, because I don't remember all of that. Yeah, okay, so it says Spirit Wolf on it, but they've got it listed down on my order form as Mystical Fox, which is the right one. So who knows? But that one will be $15.99. So that would be $15.99 for a 50 by 40 centimetres. I'm going to reach them out of the way. Just trying to make sure we're grabbing. Okay, let's do these two. So these are the dolphins, which are 37 by 28 centimetres. Aren't they pretty? And these ones will be £13.99. Obviously there is postage cost to go on top of these ones I'm giving you, so it will be slightly more for that, but if you order more I'll try to minimise how much posting I need to get it as cheap as possible for you. So these ones are lion, and these ones are 50 by 40 centimetres, and the lions are, on my thing it's called a regal lion, and that's £15.99 as well. And then we have Misty Lion, which is 42 by 42 centimetres, and these ones are called Cosmic Lion on my thing. I don't know why they've got different names for each one, but never mind. They will be £14.99. And then we have swans, and these are 40 by 50 centimetres. And the swans, what do they label them at? They label them as Sunset Swan, but my thing labels them as Angelic Swan. £14.99. And then the final ones are these cute and freaking adorable owls, which are 42 by 42 centimetres. And they are, see, they're called Cute Owl on here, but on my sheet they're called Little Brown Owl. Is also £14.99. So that is all of them, and I will show each one better as I open them up and put them onto the when I film making them on the 5D paintings videos for chat and craft videos. But if I can just pull this one out, I'm saying that it might be easier if I do the Harry Potter one, because you might see it on camera a bit better, because I think it's smaller. Yeah, it's a lot smaller. Let's do the Harry Potter one, open that. 30 by 40 versus 45 by 55, so if you do want this one, then you'll have to wait until I get it back in stock. So I'm going to open it. Supposedly. Probably would have been easier to open it the other end, but I don't have a brain, so. So, as I said, the Harry Potter one, Hogwarts, is £13.99. So that's just a little fun little printout picture, so you can see what one it is you're doing in the video, in the chart. So let's open this up first. Definitely packaged well, that's for sure. Okay, so got our little gems. Should we come in a bit closer? Nope, that's further away. One day I'll get it right again. I've only done it once so far, so here's all our little gems. These are small round drills. I don't know if they do any square drills. It might all be round. I never actually looked. But so they have all of them. Obviously the rest of the colours here. And then you've got your usual little pen, your tray and your wax. And then here's your chart, so you can easily see what you're doing on this. And these are DMC colours, so you can put them with the rest of your DMC colours just fine, which is good. So let's actually have a look at the canvas, shall we? Which obviously we do need to straighten out because they get rolled, but that's normal. So let's have a look. Right, so we're coming close so you can see it. Now I haven't got my light bulbs here because it's still holding the other one that I've been working on, but should be able to see they are nice big and clear images, so that's really cool. We'll have a look at the other side. That way everything's trailing down a little. On that side it has got a few little creases in the actual glue part, but once you put your gems on I don't think that will actually be noticeable, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, it's definitely nice big and clear images, which I'm really happy with. You can see this even without the light board, so I'm really happy with that. We'll see what it works up like, so we can have a proper look. But this is a nice good thick canvas. It's quite a nice one. It feels pretty secure and pretty firm, and that doesn't feel too flimsy, which is quite nice. I've had a few, especially the really cheap ones, so the canvas feel like it's going to rip if I pick it up wrong, but these ones don't seem too bad. But you know, only time will tell, because this is my first time with their products, but it's looking quite good, so we'll probably get to work on that soon. So let's just smooth that down. So I'm quite happy with that anyway. I won't roll it back up because I want it to come out flat so I can work on it. So we'll just keep all that with it, and I'll pack that away at some point. But as far as I know, because it's a UK company, they know copyright laws, nothing in here should be illegally used, unlike some of the ones from AliExpress. So we should be safe to do these with videos and things. Assuming they got rights for any of the Disney and Harry Potter stuff, I can't see them being operating in the UK without the proper rights. But yeah, I will get these all up onto the shop. See my hands. I will put these all up on the shop over the next week or so, and in fact no, I better get them up tonight because I'm supposed to put things live on the 1st of the month. So I better get them photographed and put up tonight, and then they'll be ready to buy on the shop tomorrow hopefully. I might just have to do it after midday depending on how fast I get everything done. But postage wise, I will have to measure and weigh and check what the post charges will be, so I can't tell you what they are right now, but it will be listed on the site when you, on Hippie Life, when you go to order you'll be able to see how much postage is, so you won't have any surprises. We can only post out on weekends because Duncan works all week, and he works from 9 till 5:30, so he can't go to the post office when it's open. So he'll go on Saturday, so if you order at all this week it won't be shipped out until Saturday. If you order Saturday or Sunday or so, then that won't be shipped out until the following Saturday, which I know is a long time, but I can't go out, I'm in lockdown, so you'll have to wait for Duncan to do it. Don't worry, I don't have any viruses, I'm just on the high risk thing, so I'm not allowed to go out, I have to stay away from everybody. But Duncan does go out and do shop runs when needs be, so he can do a post office run when he does the shopping. So I will get this uploaded, well, I'll get it edited and uploaded, shouldn't need much editing. Being that it is now 12:50, this might not be up for a few hours because it's been taking me 2 or 3 hours to get things uploaded recently, because obviously so many people are at home, but you should see soon at some point what I have and when it will be live on the site. I will also pop photos on my social media platforms and prices and details there, so that you can all see them. And yeah, I will do want each of these on camera so you can see how they work out, what they look like when they're finished, so you know exactly what you're buying. Because I think it's nice to know exactly what it is that you're paying for. It's alright seeing it in a picture like this, but until it's actually completed you don't know how good it's going to be, do you? So I want to make sure you're happy with your purchase because you've already seen it. So I think that's about it really, so I will see you all soon. You'll take care. Bye!